Start with a small Buddha statue holding a bowl or a plate. Find some white fabric and tear it or cut it into strips about 2 centimeters wide, so that's just under an inch wide. At the end of each strip you can tie a double knot to another strip and keep doing that until you have a nice roll of fabric to use as bandages. Then you wrap it around the head, covering as much of the face as you can, and you want to make sure that you have a nice straight strip that runs across the eyelid area. As you're going, you might see some bits of the end of the knot sticking out. Try and wrap around the top of that. You'll notice that I accidentally missed one, so that's easily remedied by tucking it in later. So I'm using a safety pin to secure it at the back. See the strip across the eyes? That's where I'm placing my clip-on earring. To find some that have an oval or round shape in the middle is very helpful. I'm putting on the muslin cloth to use as a shroud, but I've noticed that little bit sticking out, so I tucked it in, wrapped the shroud or muslin cloth around the statue, and just spending a little bit of time to make it look good and popping the light on top. And there's your mummy. Happy Halloween, everybody.